How much do you know about the treatment of wastewater in Labrador City? Let's go through the entire process of wastewater treatment, starting from the flush and ending with clean water being returned to Wabush Lake. When you flush the toilet, the wastewater begins its journey through a network of pipes. These pipes are part of the municipal sewer system, which collects water from homes, businesses, and other buildings, along with wastewater from sinks, showers, and appliances. All the water is sent to our local wastewater treatment plant. The Drake Wastewater Treatment Plant underwent significant enhancements for improvement in 2023. With the new additions to the facility, the treatment of wastewater has been improved to make the filtration system even more effective and environmentally friendly than before. At the treatment plant, the wastewater arrives at what's called the headworks. This is called influent. This is where the first step begins, removing large debris. Objects like sticks, rags, or plastic are screened out to prevent damage to equipment. The material is then washed and compacted and bagged for disposal in a landfill. After screening, the water flows into large sedimentation tanks. Here, the water slows down, allowing heavier solids to settle to the bottom, forming a sludge layer. Grease and oil, which are lighter than water, rise to the top and are skimmed off. The remaining bacteria and solid particles settle out of the water, forming more sludge at the bottom. Cleaner water moves on to the next stage of treatment, while the sludge is treated for disposal. In the lower part of the treatment plant, we see where the pumps transport any remaining sludge through a pipe, taking it to the digester. When the sludge enters the digester, it is mixed with oxygen. This oxygen helps beneficial bacteria break down the organic matter in the water. These microorganisms consume the waste, converting it to more stable forms. Sludge is pumped from the digester to the press for dewatering. The press uses mechanical pressure, squeezing the sludge between large plates or belts to remove the water. What's left is a dense, solid material called cake. The water extracted during this process is returned to the treatment plant for further cleaning, while the dewatered sludge cake is prepared for final disposal at the Labrador West Regional Landfill. The town of Labrador City will send samples of surface water from the landfill for testing on an annual basis. As part of the upgrade to our treatment plant, we've installed a brand new UV light disinfection system. This advanced technology uses ultraviolet light to neutralize harmful bacteria and pathogens in the treated water before it's released back into the environment. Unlike traditional chlorine treatment, which involves adding chemicals to kill bacteria, UV light disinfection is a physical process. The UV system passes the water through special tubes where powerful ultraviolet rays destroy the DNA of harmful microorganisms, rendering them inactive. One of the major benefits of UV treatment is that it doesn't introduce any chemicals into the water, meaning there are no residuals that can impact aquatic life in Wabush Lake. So how is the health of our wastewater monitored? Each quarter, wastewater samples are sent to AGAT laboratories to test for oxygen demand, solids, ammonia, phosphorus, bacteria, and pH, helping monitor overall water quality. Effluent requires even more rigorous testing as it undergoes the same quarterly screening as influent, plus it is tested for the presence of more than 24 elements, such as mercury, lead, barium, and zinc, just to name a few. Effluent is also treated bi-weekly for CBOD and suspended solids. Thanks to our plant's treatment processes, including the new UV disinfection system, we can confidently return water to the lake without harmful chemicals or pathogens. And there you have it. That's the journey from flush to final treatment. Every step in the process is designed to remove harmful substances and protect our environment. With the addition of our new UV light system, we're now disinfecting water more safely and sustainably without chemicals. It's all part of our commitment to cleaner water and a healthier community. Thanks for watching.